this is my model face that we're going to be working on today. As you can see, I will just go ahead and use my brush to brush down the eyebrow to shape the shape of the eyebrow to my desired shape. So after I'm done, I will just go ahead and use the eyebrow gel to fill in those spots according to her eyebrow. So guys, now that I'm done drawing my eyebrow, I will just go ahead and use a lighter concealer from Ferrero to highlight the down one, while I use a little bit darker one to highlight the upper one, as you can see in the video. So guys, what I'm about doing, those eyes that she closed, I'm going to be using a little bit of concealer to fill in those lines, because when you apply a concealer on the eyes, immediately she closed her eyes, you're going to be seeing that lines, and we don't want to be applying eyeshadow on top of those lines, so you have to blend it immediately before applying eyeshadow. So guys, at this point I'm trying to darken that area where I want to be cutting my crease, and I'm applying a darker shade because I want my crease to be so visible. As you can see guys, I am so sorry, when I was cutting my crease I never knew my camera was off. I'm going to be making another video on how to cut your crease, how to properly cut your crease. Guys, make sure you hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. Anytime I post a video, you'll be the first person to be notified. So guys, at this point I'll just go ahead and draw my liner. We are not making so much wings today. As you can see, it's a very shorter one, and not too long, not too short. So at this point I'm done with my liner. I will just go ahead and highlight those under of her eyes, so I can go ahead and highlight the waterline, guys. So guys, you might be wondering what's making her shaking her head. This is Africa's song that she's just dancing to, guys. Because of copyright free, I couldn't leave the song on my phone. I have to mute everything as usual. It's time for foundation. I just apply a foundation on her face and tap it in with my beauty blender. I go ahead and highlight her face with a concealer on the area where I want to highlight: her nose, her cheek, under her eyes, and her forehead.